Welcome back to Car Culture State, where we dive deep into the heart of automotive design, innovation, and performance. Today, we're exploring one of the most talked about upcoming vehicles in the Indian automotive world, the 2025 Tata Curvv Defender. Now, if the name alone didn't spark your curiosity, this SUV is here to turn heads and reset expectations. Tata Motors is bringing a whole new level of aggression, elegance, and innovation to the midsize SUV segment, and the Defender variant of the Curvv takes that ambition to the next level. At first glance, the 2025 Tata Curvv Defender doesn't just look like a concept, it looks like the future. This isn't just about sharp angles or LED light strips. It's about presence. The Defender badge brings in a stronger, more rugged design language. There's a bold, muscular front fascia with an upright stance that screams off-road readiness. You've got squared-off wheel arches, an upright bonnet, and an imposing grille that looks like it could swallow potholes whole. The lighting signature is futuristic. Slim DRLs run across the width of the vehicle, and the split headlamp setup down below gives it a confident stare. Around the back, you get a clean, almost coupe-like roofline that curves gracefully into the tailgate. The LED tail lights wrap around in a minimal, modern design, and the dual-tone color schemes Tata has been experimenting with make this SUV stand out in any crowd. The Defender model brings more rugged body cladding, beefed-up skid plates, and larger all-terrain wheels, making it look ready to take on both city streets and mountain trails. But the real surprise lies inside. Step into the cabin of the Tata Curvv Defender, and it's clear Tata isn't just targeting the usual suspects in the segment, they're aiming higher. There's a clean, minimalist dashboard with soft-touch materials, layered surfaces, and ambient lighting that creates a premium vibe. A large floating touchscreen takes center stage, likely running the latest version of Tata's infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Beneath that, the climate controls are sleek, probably touch-sensitive, and the center console flows elegantly into a gear selector that feels borrowed from a luxury segment. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, responsive, and fully customizable, offering everything from navigation to ADAS data right in the driver's line of sight. Speaking of ADAS, yes, Tata is finally going all in on advanced driver assistance systems with the Curvv Defender. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and even 360-degree cameras. Tata wants this SUV to be not just good-looking, but smart too. Now let's talk about what powers the 2025 Curvv Defender. Tata is planning to offer it in multiple powertrains, including petrol, diesel, and an all-electric variant. But the Defender version will likely come with the higher-end options. The turbocharged 1.5-liter petrol engine is expected to deliver over 160 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a dual-clutch automatic. For those who want torque and range, a new generation diesel could also be on the cards, possibly a 1.5-liter with well over 250 Nm of torque. But what's really exciting is the Curvv EV. Tata's been making waves with their Ziptron EV technology, and the Defender variant might just be the first electric SUV in India that blends style, practicality, and real-world off-road capability. With a projected range of over 500 kilometers, fast charging capabilities, and all-wheel drive on higher trims, the Curvv Defender EV could shake up the market. Handling and ride comfort are other areas where the Curvv is expected to shine. Tata's engineers have been tuning the suspension to offer a balance between urban refinement and rugged capability. That means you'll get good high-speed stability on highways, but also the confidence to handle rough terrain when the road ends. The Defender name isn't just cosmetic. It'll come with a slightly raised ride height, underbody protection, and drive modes tailored for snow, mud, and rocky terrain. In terms of practicality, the Curvv Defender aims to be a family-friendly SUV with an edge. You'll find ample boot space, rear AC vents, fast-charging USB ports, and possibly even ventilated seats in higher variants. The panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and premium sound system round out a package that doesn't just compete, it dominates. What makes the Tata Curvv Defender especially fascinating is how it positions Tata Motors in the global design conversation. With its bold aesthetics, smart features, and electric capability, it's a statement that India can build SUVs that are just as futuristic and capable as anything coming out of Europe or Japan. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but industry expectations suggest the Curvv Defender could start around 15 to 18 lakh rupees for the ICE models, and somewhere around 25 lakh for the EV variant, depending on battery size and features. That would place it right in the sweet spot of the Indian SUV market, taking on the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and Mahindra XUV 700, while offering a unique mix of style and future-proof tech. So, is the Tata Curvv Defender the SUV we've all been waiting for? If Tata delivers on everything they've promised, design, performance, EV range, and tech, then this could be a defining moment not just for the company, but for the Indian auto industry as a whole. That's all for today's deep dive from CarCulturestate. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Tata Curvv Defender. Would you choose it over the current segment leaders? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with everything on wheels. Until next time, keep driving forward.